Hello, and welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today, we will be making a potion. A potion from the purple Pocosin. In the purple Pocosin, there's half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of lemon juice, an ounce of the purple one, which is a shrub made with blueberries, flowers, and love that I got at the farmer's market. There's 1 ounce of Orgeat, and there's 2 ounces of San Pellegrino. Okay, we will be doing this in a coupe glass again. So first we fill up our shaker with ice, one of the most important parts of this whole operation. So much quicker. And then we do the half ounce of simple syrup, the half ounce of lime juice, the ounce of the purple one shrub, an ounce of Orgeat, and 2 ounces of San Pellegrino. And then we put on the top part. Make sure that's on tight. And then we put on the lid of the top part. And then we shake it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. And now we shall put it in the coupe glass. If I can open it. Well then, let's take a little sip of this so it doesn't spill over. And that's one of the best potions I have made. Thank you for watching Guinevere's Mocktails, and see you next time. Bye. Today, we will be making a potion. A potion from the purple Pocosin. What? Sorry. Can I restart?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. In the purple Pocosin, there is half an
purple what?
Pocosin. Pocosin.